Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard and I'm cheesing right now because I have my little light like right there, and I took my glasses off so it wouldn't be a glare, but it feels like I'm staring right into the light. So forgive me if my eyes look a little glazed over because that is a very bright light. But at any rate, I am here. These are weekly or short video snippets. I try to do them weekly, I swear I do. But short video snippets designed to answer questions you may have about estate planning or probate, or maybe there are other legal concerns that may be impacting your household. And I'm almost finished with a series regarding Sarah and Sarah as a bakery owner and her estate planning, and more specifically her business succession planning needs. I'm going to finish that up in the next video, but for today I wanted to touch base very quickly just to kind of acknowledge something and recognize something that I want you to recognize with me. So I've been doing these videos for the last 7 years, since 2018, just over 7 years. I think I started in September of 2018, right after my mom passed away. And so you would think that after all this time and all these videos that I would have covered everything, primarily within my main practice areas of estate planning and probate, with some offshoots here and there. But you would think after all of this time that there's nothing else to talk about. I would have thought that too. But there is always a case that comes across my desk that is something very unique to that individual or that family. And so I share that with you just to say, when you are seeking legal advice from another attorney or a friend of a friend, and you say, for instance, I need help with this blank, and they just rattle off the solution before really delving into any of your specifics in your scenario, that should be a red flag to you, because I'm telling you, every case is going to have some unique intricacies attached to it that a one-size-fits-all solution is not going to work. So just be aware, be wary if that is the initial response you get without any further conversations or any further fact finding, because that's just telling you that that person is just trying to fit you in a mold, or if it's a professional service provider, they're just trying to have you pay for a diagnosis they've made without really examining you. So be wary of that. You wouldn't want your doctor doing that to you, giving you the same diagnosis they gave the last patient, when your case is probably quite different from that last patient's case. Same with legal services. So just be aware, be wary, be cautious, ask questions, and make sure he or she is asking you questions as well. As always, that's it for now. I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.